Hey guys, Funk Roberts here and welcome to this week's new workout for you. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have been away for the last few weeks battling this medical issue. If you guys want to know more about the medical issue, then you go to my Instagram and follow me on Funk MMA and you can check out the stories. But of course, I want to make sure I bring you guys new workouts every week because you guys support us incredibly. So today's workout is a workout that we shot back in Thailand. It's a brand new workout. It's from my Filthy 50 workouts and I'm bringing it to you. So this week you're going to do 10 exercises. Each exercise you're going to do for 50 reps, one after the other. Okay, so once you've done the first exercise for 50 reps and you move on to the other, you want to do them as quickly and as fast as you can. Filthy 50 style, CrossFit style, and again, metabolic conditioning style. You can use it as a fighter, you can use it to burn fat, build muscle, and a great way to challenge yourself. Plus, what I'm going to do for you guys also at the end of this workout, I'm going to give you all right now. You can click the link in the box and you can download my free Filthy 50 PDF. I want to give it to you guys for free just because you guys have all supported me. You continue to support, you leave great comments. I love you guys, you're awesome. So after you've seen this workout, after you've tried this workout, download the ebook. It's just a simple ebook with more Filthy 50 style workouts that you can use in the gym. Anyways, I'm done talking. I'm going to take you through this workout. Let's get it done. Okay, our first exercise are burpees. So here you're doing 50 burpees. I don't want you to go all the way down. I just want you to get back fast and up fast as quick as possible, breathing throughout this movement. Second exercise are inverted ring rows. Now you can use TRX, you can use just a regular bar, but it's all about that back, keeping the core tight, hips are up, and again, using your back to row. Next exercise are wall balls. Again, we're doing 50 here. You want to throw that ball up, get down into a squat and explode up. Make sure you use your legs to help you throw that ball up, and of course your shoulders will do some work. Next exercise, we're doing 50 leg raises. Now these are loaded leg raises, but you don't have to load. I like to put a plate there. So again, we're just leg raising, keeping the core tight. Next exercise are walking lunges or forward lunges. Here they're loaded, so I'm using dumbbells. And again, it's a lower body exercise, so we're pushing off with that front leg, keeping the body nice and tall, exhaling when you push out. Next exercise are ab in and outs. So you're going here as fast as you can. And remember, you're doing 50, so try to get this done all at once. Keep the core tight throughout this movement. Our seventh exercise are step ups. Again, we're doing 50 total. So your legs may be a little bit tired from the lunges, but keep going, explode up, and move as fast as you can. The eighth exercise are med ball, clean, and slam. So make sure here that you get nice and low, clean the med ball all the way over your head and slam it right down. This is a full body exercise. And again, move as fast as you can. The ninth exercise are kettlebell swings. Try to use a heavy kettlebell here, and we're getting 50 reps done. Lower body, posterior chain exercise, breathing throughout the movement, being powerful. And finally, that's right, we're ending off with burpees. Another 50 burpees to end this off. Again, as fast as you can, don't go all the way down, and move as quickly as possible. If you missed last week's workout, then click the video below and check out this awesome workout. As I always say, guys, get it done.